Hello and Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are doing well. By the way, I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So let's start today's video. This video is very unique and interesting because in this video I contain a lot of jewelry collection, various designs of necklaces, bracelets, anklets, and many further collection like brooch and hair accessories, some kind of jewelry design. So stay connected and watch the whole video and listen to me carefully to know the information about the video. As you know that jewelry design is a timeless art that reflects individuality, culture and creativity. Whether you are a designer, collector or enthusiast, exploring various styles and ideas can fuel inspiration. Let's discuss in detail. First of all, I want to discuss brooch design. Brooches are versatile and can be tailored for a modern or vintage look. Here are some ideas. Firstly, nature inspired brooches use floral patterns, leaves, or animal motifs crafted with enamel or gemstones. Second one is geometric patterns, explore abstract shapes like hexagon, rectangle, different oval shapes like parallelogram or interlocking circles for a minimalist aesthetic. Third one is the statement brooches. Oversized designs featuring bold gemstones like amethyst or emerald, ideal for evening wear. Next is cultural brooch, like incorporate traditional motifs like Celtic knots, tribal patterns, or Asian symbols for unique themes. Next is earring designs. There are a lot of unique earring designs included in this video. Earrings are a staple accessory and can be designed to match every personality. So, first one is dangling elegance. Long dangling earrings with pearls or crystal offer sophistication. Next is hoop variations, like explore hoops with embedded stones, layered hoops, or asymmetrical designs. There are a lot of collection of earrings which I already discussed in the previous videos, but I want to discuss the name like ear cuffs, a mix and match, and cultural fusion. Cultural fusion means like combine traditional ideas like jhumkas with modern materials for fusion jewelry. It also depends upon your choice and your tradition, civilization, and also your own preference. You want this or not? It's already depends on you. Next one is the bracelet designs. Bracelets add elegance and charm to any outfit that you wear, like charm bracelets, cuff bracelets, beaded bracelets, layered bracelets, and adjustable designs. What are adjustable designs? Let's discuss it. It creates bracelets with sliding knots or adjustable chains for universal appeal. Next is necklace designs. There are a lot of necklace designs that are unique yet elegant and beautiful included in this video just to give inspirational ideas. Okay, necklaces make bold statements and can be centerpiece for any look, any style, any preference. Number first is the choker necklace. Explore velvet lace or metallic chokers embellished with small pendants or gemstones. Next one is the layered necklaces like combine delicate chains of varying lengths with pendants for a layered effect. Next one is the statement pieces which are too much unique to wear on any formal and casual events. Use oversized pendants or intricate bib designs with gemstone and intricate metalwork that you like. Next is nature motifs like incorporate elements like leaves, feathers or celestial designs into pendants. Last one is the cultural heritage. Revive traditional designs such as tribal necklaces or ethnic patterns using contemporary materials. Anklets are subtle yet captivating piece of jewelry. Like it includes bohemian anklets, minimalist, double-layered, customized pieces, and cultural anklets. Next is ring designs. Rings are timeless and can vary from subtle to extraordinary special one. Like stackable rings, thin bands with diverse textures and gemstones for mix and match wear. Next is cocktail rings, which many people like it the most. Oversized rings featuring a single bold gemstone or an intricate cluster design. Third one is nature themed rings, leaves, flowers, or animal shapes designed in precious metals. Next is infinity bands. Rings with continuous patterns like knots or infinity symbols symbolize eternal love. And last one is the artisan's ring. Handcrafted rings using unconventional materials like wood, resin, or ceramic. So you get lots of inspirational ideas whether you like nature inspired themes, cultural heritage, art and architecture, sustainability and upcycling, personalization like customization, modern minimalism. So it also depends on your preference, your style, your themes, and your selection. So you can get amazing ideas whether how to make a beautiful yet unique piece of jewelry, whether it's a brooch, bracelet, necklace, or something more different things. Inshallah, soon I will share more different detailed jewelry design in the upcoming videos. So that's all for the day. I hope you like my information and the beautiful amazing video. If you like the video, then share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.